Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This video is going to be a little bit different. I was packing a basket for a donation for a fundraiser for a local firefighter who is battling cancer. So I let my son go through all of my cards that I'd created, and I let him pick 15 cards that he thought would be good cards to put in this basket for a donation. So these are all the cards that I had in my stash. And some of them you've probably seen videos for, some of them are probably older, but I did stamp all of them with my personalized stamp on the back, and I included a business card, and some of these cards are really cool and I love them, but I did do something a little bit different with a lot of these cards since I had not previously made envelopes for, packaged any of these with envelopes. I did decide to make the envelopes a little bit fancy. So I took my, any of the fancy scissors I had or any edge trimmers from my paper trimmer, because I have a Fiskars rotary trimmer. So I just made the envelopes a little bit fancy, because who wouldn't appreciate getting a fancy envelope with their card? So after you look at this collection of cards, let me know which card is your favorite. I'm not really sure which are my favorite, because I feel like as I'm doing them, they're pretty much all my favorite when I'm doing these. A lot of these you might see from my series that I did on the Spellbinders Advent Calendar from Christmas time. And, ooh, I love this one. This one was so fun. It was recent too, so there's a video for that. I will leave some links up above to some videos that I've done for these cards. And then I'm going to package these up in a basket that I had, and it will be ready to drop off. I was not able to make it to the fundraiser, but I dropped this off with one of the coordinators for the fundraiser, and I hope it did well in the silent auction. But yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know which card was your favorite, and do you think I did a good job packing this up for the fundraiser? How would you have done the packaging for a fundraiser for card basket? Alrighty. Well, there's the basket all set, and this is what it looked like right before I dropped it off. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it when you like and subscribe to my channel and come back and watch some more videos. Have a great day. Bye.